Hi, my name is Brenner White, and I'm here to give you a proposal about Chromebooks. Okay, so why should we even have mobile teaching? One of the advantages mobile learners offers is that of personalization, which also adds to the sense of engagement and motivation of the users. Moreover, the fact that mobile learning is accessible at any time, any place by the users. It also helps learners stay on track while they're training, which results in less dropouts. I think the grades 10 through 12 will benefit from mobile learning on a Chromebook for many reasons. It gets them ready for college. Lots of colleges have online classes, so they're going to need to know how to use a computer and all the apps that are on the computer for like slideshows or Word documents or any presentations. It also prepares them for a job. It'll help them learn how to create a resume. At my job, I have to use a computer and I have to know how to use my email and all that stuff. It also prepares them to live in our technical world. So if, let's just say, they have kids and then their kids have to start using technology, if they don't know how to use that, then they're not going to be able to help them with that. Okay, so the problem. Our school needs a mobile teaching device because, one, not all students have access to technology at home. That's a problem because some teachers say, hey, write this essay over a video, and they have to watch the video. Well, if they don't have access to technology, they're not going to be able to watch that video. Two, some students need hands-on learning. So with the computer, sometimes you can use like special games that you can play on the computer and it will help you learn, say, like science or whatever. Three, students do not get to interact with learning just by sitting and listening to the teacher. Some students need to be doing stuff while the teacher is talking, even if it's just filling in notes and typing on their computer. So the solution to this problem is getting a mobile teaching and learning device. I think the best one for our school would be a portable laptop such as a Chromebook. So for the cost for the ASUS Chromebook, which is the picture of that one, the cost for each one is $279.52 each. So for 200 students, the cost would be around $55,000, $56,000 plus tax. A specific hardware program that would also have to be purchased would be the Chrome Education Upgrade, and it costs $30 per Chromebook. And the reason I think this would be important to also provide to our students, it allows them to share devices easily between students. It boots up in seconds, and it works on and offline, which is very important if students don't have access to a Wi-Fi at home. It automatically updates with Wi-Fi. It is built for durability to handle student wear and tear because all students are going to probably drop these. So this will have a better chance of not breaking. It also unlocks creativity with curated apps for learning. So for $30 per 200 students, it's going to be about $6,000. So the total cost for this whole project would be about $62,000 for 200 students plus the tax. Okay, so the implementation. Starting at the beginning of next year, each student will be assigned their own Chromebook. The students would get to keep their Chromebook all school year long, and they would turn it in when school ends. So then the next year, we'll give out Chromebooks again. If the same students are returning, they'll get the same Chromebook. Each Chromebook will have like a number, and then the student will have the number. So then we can keep a list of what student has what number Chromebook. And then if new students come, because they'll be moving up from 9th grade to 10th grade, then they will get the seniors' Chromebooks because they will not be coming back. All right, so the impact. So the very first goal, I would say, would be all learners will acquire, analyze, and synthesize and evaluate information to solve meaningful problems and to achieve success as productive, thriving global citizens. Students will learn through active engagement, collaboration, and exploration of personal interests, talents, and ambitions across disciplines. Student learning and achievement will be measured and reported using clearly defined standards and performance assessments that measure student progress toward personalized learning goals. Chromebooks will empower students to collaborate and communicate more effectively. Learning will take place anytime and anywhere. With easy access to their Google Drive, students can create, collaborate, and share their work in real time while in the classroom or at home. Teachers and students can communicate more effectively through shared assignments. Misplaced homework will be a relic of the past because all materials are saved automatically and stored in one location, and they are accessible anywhere via the internet. In addition, Edmodo can be easily accessed to and from the Chromebooks. When students are connected to the internet, they are provided with research and collaboration tools outside the walls of their classroom. Learning will become more self-directed as students access the global resources at their fingertips. The second goal, all learners will demonstrate to the 21st century learning and technology skills and knowledge that will prepare them for success in school, post-secondary education, work, and life in global society. Once a new technology rolls over you, if you're not part of the steamroller, you're not part of the road, according to writer Stuart Brand. By equipping students to become global learners, we are also providing them with the tools necessary to succeed in a technology-advanced society. With anywhere and anytime access, Chromebooks will allow teachers to blend learning as they help students develop higher order and critical thinking skills to solve real-world problems. Mobile learning for each student will magnify the effects of project-based learning and will benefit students, their families, and the entire community. This is my handout that I will provide also in the email. Just talks about where we are, the overview, some of the goals we have, how those goals will be achieved. So